In a quiet village, there lived an old woman people trusted. Not because she had wealth, not because she had power, but because nothing seemed to disturb her. Even when others worried, she remained calm. Her home was small, her life was simple, yet people often sat beside her just to feel at ease. One evening, as the sun was fading, a young mother arrived at her door. Her face was pale, her eyes restless. "I don't know what to do anymore," she said, her voice shaking. "My husband left to find work, but nothing has come back. There's no money, no help, and tonight," she paused, trying to hold herself together, "I only have one piece of bread for my children." The old woman looked at her quietly. No rush, no panic, just presence. "Bring it to me," she said gently. The mother hesitated, but returned with the bread. The old woman took it and slowly broke it into 4 uneven pieces. She placed the smallest piece into the mother's hand. "Eat this first." "That won't be enough," she whispered. The old woman met her eyes. "Eat and then decide." Reluctantly, the mother took a bite. It didn't satisfy her hunger, but something unexpected happened. Her breathing slowed. The tightness in her chest began to loosen. The storm in her mind grew quieter. The old woman watched her closely and said, "It's not hunger that breaks you first. It's the fear of what comes next." The mother lowered her eyes. For the first time that day, she wasn't thinking about tomorrow. Only this moment, only what was still in her hands. That night, she fed her children without panic. The food was still little, the situation was still uncertain, but her heart was steady. Days passed. Nothing changed immediately. But she worked, she waited, she endured, and slowly help arrived. When she returned to the old woman, her eyes were different. "My life isn't easier," she said softly, "but it no longer feels impossible." The old woman smiled. When fear leaves the mind, even the smallest piece becomes enough to begin again. If this gave you a moment of calm, stay with it.